we've been hanging out here at Pins, at the Coastal Bend, and guess what? This is our setup for tonight. Oh boy, we're at it again. Peace! Look at that, there's nobody around us. But look, Pins is known for its pelican surveillance. Marie and I woke up and we kind of knew that we would have a bug problem when we were camping coastal bend areas. But what we didn't know is how much the mosquitoes, how many mosquitoes there were going to be. And if you can take a look at this, that is just crazy. Oh, those are mosquitoes. Just waiting to harvest on us. Okay, if you can see, this is the barrier between us and them. Literally them. Just thousands of mosquitoes on our net, our screens, waiting to get in. It's driving Marie crazy right now, and I just wanted to give you a heads up to be prepared. In fact, if you can just see those, I mean, they're just everywhere, and they're huge. But yeah, craziness, all part of the experience though. The dilemma is, we thought that mosquitoes would be gone in the morning, and they're not. So we woke up this morning to a beautiful, beautiful view. There's a thunderstorm off to the east, as you can see right there. But these mosquitoes, oh my gosh, they're still here, and they're everywhere. Look at them. They're everywhere, and we can't get out. They've encased us. They're waiting for us. What to do? You ever heard art is in the beholder? Well, behold, I let you see this, not my creation, but the creation here at Pins. It's one of many. They call it the chancla tree. Chancla tree? I don't know.
little guy was attached to our ice chest. He's a little teeny tiny crab, I